drumbeat in my blood. Truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sun to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mile.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still live on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop Jah people rise high. Roots man vibration,
feeling on the ground.
Drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
rise up and stand.
All your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to jump down land.
One Jah, one heart, one stand.
Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey Jah, Jah, we still hold on.
Roots man vibrations, click up the wall.
Freedom voice echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration,
Light up the sky.
Jah spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong. Drum still beating, fire still burning. Roots man stand tall, just still turning. Africa, my mama, feel your call. One world, one love, for all who care.
When the world feels dark and heavy and the road is full of stone, just lift your eyes to the morning sky. You'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. 'Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were never torn, They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the ancient of days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still. you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn.
Me smile and say, still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love. In the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution. Breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom hand in hand. Love, go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make. Every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above. still can't see the sun. No more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. They build walls made of fear and greed, while the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told, yeah. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line.
Even after the darkest night, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah see your tears, He hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise You may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend, from Kingston town to Berlin lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light, shine bright tonight.
The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whispers, son, the world can change today if we all up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope to hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land, but the blood one flame. Hand in hand, no matter the skin. Black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity of the law of Jalan. Elders say, history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn, but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand, me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. Oh, Mama Africa, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with song, say old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not tame. Cause a warrior of light must remain. No mama say
No fear, my sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul, no system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon a pressure, Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, me brother, lightly forever. And me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. Me see tears in a mama eyes, still she give life a chance.
Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build hope in a song like a true Rastaman.
From Kingston streets to Nairobi land,
From Soweto Christ to Zion sand.
we sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone.
Hey, Jah, Jah.
Hey Jah Jah, stop the way we go. Dissipate your wandering mind, leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way.
Rain fall by my window, silence in her room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in a deep pain. Hold on strong, keep moving on. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, domination tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in all the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today, we know. One heart, one road, we go. We go, tears turn to freedom. No more fear, Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till dark.
Your touch is the treasure I wanna hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. Oh, in your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. Everything feels right.
Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide. Them build border but love no wall. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Them mama Africa,
We feel your heartbeat.
oh brothers rise and fight.
Stand for truth and
Stand for conspirator.
no more tears, no more.
Your light guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. Let the fire of freedom reign. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gain. Stand tall, no chains again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no chains again. Stand tall, my friend. Till the very end, your love we defend. Yeah. Oh, Mama Africa. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain night. Last night me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall fi keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We're one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah upon the lion, yeah. Righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Hey, sunrise over Zion, no. Let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Hey, oh Mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Live your voice, live your soul. Zion fire make we whole all together. Hey, Jah Jah bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion, no. Hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Hey, rise, my brother rise. Sunshine heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, over Zion, over Zion, over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze from me face. Mama praying in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough but me trod with a heart full of fire. No chains for me spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing though hunger around. Africa me blood, Jamaica me song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready fi grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Respond to the stars tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold down a free soul it and the freedom come. From Trench Town straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we home. Rise up, holy fire high. No more tears in a mama eye. Star may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Rise up, Jah light a guide we step. Ooh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. Jaja warrior, stand tall, stand firm. No matter storm, no matter burn, roots and culture shall return. From the dust of Africa, my ancestors' eyes. Through the pain and the fire, still wisdom in their eyes. Babylon try break we with chain and gun, but the spirit of the lion can't be overrun. Walk barefoot on the sacred ground, hear the heartbeat of the drum, that thunder sound. Me carry history in every vein, me soul no bow to Babylon chain. Stand firm, Rasta man, don't lose your way. Even when the night swallow up the day, hold the torch, let your spirit burn. One day to Zion we shall return. Roots warrior, carry the flame. Call upon Jah, no fear, no shame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Never play the Babylon game. Roots warrior, heart of steel. Faith in Jah is the shield we wield. From the hills to the battlefield, truth is the weapon we reveal. They laugh when you rise and cheer when you fall, but the righteous never crumble. We answer Jackal. System push you down, try mash your pride, but a true warrior fight with Jah by his side. Me see my brother in chains of poverty. Me see my sister cry silently. So I chant psalms to break this spell. Let the trumpet of freedom ring like bell. No retreat, no surrender. Jah love make the heart grow tender, but don't mistake kindness for weakness. Roots warrior stand in the heat, yes. Roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Bob Marley chant, none but ourselves can free our mind. Peter Tosh cry, equal rights and justice. So we stand as warriors of roots and never resign. Warrior, warrior, now you're being fire. No chains, no liar. Jah take we higher. Roots warrior, heart full of fire. Drum beat rise like a holy choir. From Kingston town to the banks of Nile, warriors march every step. town. People cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, your light will take control. Children barefoot in the street sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not bow to fear or pain, cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through within. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born, yeah. Together we born, together we born, oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call Jah name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion. Fire burn both we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. Oh, rise up, oh, guide us home. One love, one heart, we are never alone. Oh, oh, Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry,
sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Our drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, and still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight. We'll make it right.
Mama Africa twisted, we coming home, yeah. From Jamaica to Ghana, from Haiti to Congo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Once we were kings with golden crowns, then they broke us, tore us down. But roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase Jah master plan. Drums of freedom call our name. Through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again, mama. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy back. But Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant Hakuna Hofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper Jah is here. From diaspora tears we climb, turning sorrow into holy rhyme. Oh, Uhuru, Uhuru,
Mama land we coming home.
Amandla away to
Power to the people.
Jah guide, Jah shield, we never alone.
Africa we rise again.
Yeah, yeah.
Africa we rise again.
Oh mama, yeah. Africa we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. One heart, one drum, one destiny. Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity. Yeah. Rastafari. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small treetop. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, moyo imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, just sun still rise in the morning light. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them steal we gold, them steal we name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, Jah live, we never die. Even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Who will fight for the youth them soul? We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown, Wood, Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Hey. I say, one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari.
Me wake up with the sunrise glow, hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. Me spirit whisper, don't you fear, Jah light shine bright, it's always here. Inna the struggle me find me peace, inna the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, me soul still warm, cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high, wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire starts. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah.
strong. Jah love carry we along. Asante Jah, thank you Lord. Me heart and soul restored. Umoja for life, peace we trod, guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. A light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore. Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day, every night, every day, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Oh, na, 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 na. Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call Jah name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, steal the right, but from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama say son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud. No change pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trenchtown to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No, chant down Babylon.
Shut them down till the morning comes.
Stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant we are singing loud. No chance pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in a morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually.
soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be.
Mama cry, drum beat echo from the mountain lion. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up people, open your eye. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one, we never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Stop the burning, stop the earth. From Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sand, searching for water with empty hands. Still them smile, still them sing just song. Even when the nights feel cool and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in us all. Watch it grow, despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Heal the land, give it worth. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, all our when people, when life beat them down. Yeah. Mama, no cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Oh yeah. Jah protect we from the mountain to the sea.
If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one not one world forevermore.
Choo choo choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put chains round our hand, chains round our mind. Teach we fi follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride. The freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train. Alaba, don't you delay. Justice come fi light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beat inna them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train.
Do you hear it? Yes, I hear it. Do you feel it? Yes, I feel it.
Jaja calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name.
I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, yeah. And every man, woman, and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom, ride on, ride on.
Freedom train is rolling.
Take the children home.
No one left in the streets alone.
From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Freedom train, can't stop the flame. Jah light guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride. Freedom train, choo choo. Ride on, ride on.
Freedom,
Freedom come,
freedom.
no more chain. Ride the train.
Freedom, freedom.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, still be early morning, sun arise from the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenchtown to Soweto plain, we chant, we sing, we pray. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa flowing, you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide with soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conqueror.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're raw once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny